asked for it, and of course, I am here to deliver. If your wig is given, I just woke up from a nap in the desert. Well, don't worry, because we are going to be restoring life back into that wig. So if you are just so confused about how to maintain your wig, or you've been wearing wigs for a while now, but then maintenance still gives you issue, then come closer, because this video is definitely for you. Let's get right into it. So hello once again, my name is Mercy, and this is the face behind the brand Liz Glambies, where we are keen on providing affordable elegance to our customers. So on today's episode, we'll be talking about the basic wig maintenance. You need to know the basic thing you need to do to maintain a lifelong lasting wig, to give back your wig, to make it look fresh, lush. Very first maintenance tip I need you all to in fact, you see, this particular one, sometimes when I have some customers coming to purchase wig, if you've ever gotten any wig from me before, if it's a straight wig, I will ask you, do you have a straightener? And then when I have some customers, they'll be like, no, I don't have straight now. I'll be like, how do you want to maintain your wig? You are buying a straight wig and you don't have a straightener. How do you want to maintain your wigs? If you are buying a straight wig, please put it at the back of your mind. Hold it, keep it, store it there. If you are buying a wig, get a straightener with that wig if you don't have one. Get a heat protectant if you don't have one. Because if you are saying you have straightener and you don't have an heat protectant, you are going to damage your wig. You need an heat protectant, to prevent your wig from the heat, from the damage. Too much heat will cause to your wig. So that is why heat protectant is actually recommended. Get heat protectant, spray it on your wig before straightening out your hair. And get a straightener, please. If you're buying a straight wig, get a straightener. If you don't have a straightener, don't buy straight wig. Go for curly wig. I said it in the first video I made that even as a wig beginner, I don't really recommend that you buy straight wig because of the stress of straightening and all of that. If you know you can't straighten hairs, be buying curly wigs. Buy curly wigs. Leave straighteners for those that have leave straight wigs rather. Leave straight wigs for those that have straightener in their house. Leave it for them. You go for curly hair. Second maintenance list you need to know is that when detangling your hair, please make sure you detangle from the tip of your hair all the way to the root. You don't detangle your hair from the root of your hair down to the tip of your hair. To avoid shedding of the hair, you just have to detangle your hair from the tip. Start from the tip of the hair, and then you run your comb through it all the way to the top of the hair to avoid overshedding of your hair. Yeah. Good. And for the third one, please, if you notice your wig is dirty, if you notice your wig has turned frizzy, it is not giving that nice look when you bought it initially, the first time you bought the wig, please just know that the wig is just ready for revamping. You need to wash the wig. If you've been using the wig, let's say for about 2 months, 3 months, and if you're even the one that once you buy a wig like this, use it on Monday, use it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, use it for a whole month without changing it, then auntie, it is time to actually wash that wig. And please, when you're washing your wig, use a sulfate-free shampoo. And personally for me, I recommend Trescent shampoo and conditioner to wash your wigs. Please, if you don't know how to wash your wigs rather, please give it to a stylist. At these Glambies, we actually offer revamping services. Yeah, we'll wash your wig, we'll return lushness into your wig. So please, if you know you can't wash your wigs very well, just give it to a stylist to do it for you. It is not something difficult. Don't use the 500 naira shampoo they sell out there, the 1000 naira shampoo they sell out there on your wigs. Let's now say, okay, you don't want to give your hair to a stylist, you want to wash your wigs yourself. Please, after washing, ensure you air dry it. Don't put it out in the sun. Put it in a place where there won't be direct ray of sunlight on the hair. There won't be direct sunlight hitting your hair, hitting your wig. Put it where there'll just be enough breeze. Probably in your bathroom, if there's enough ventilation in your bathroom, you can just hang it there. Or if there's a place with shade in your house, just put it there. Just don't put it in a place where there'll be direct sunlight hitting your wig. After washing, you air dry it. It's as simple as that. Do not sun dry your wigs, please. Air dry your wigs.